Hello, welcome to the Lilliputian Librarian. Today we will be reading Construction Site Road Crew Coming Through, written by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Egg Ford. Six mighty friends are on their way to help with something big today. They're off to work on something new. To join the big road building crew, there's a giant job to do. Compactor, scraper, and grader cheer honk. Roller and striper get into gear. Vroom! Water truck is set to go, and pavers pipes both snort and blow. Huff! Rumbling, revving, shaking ground, all the trucks now gather round. They'll make a route from here to there with careful planning, thought, and care. The team will build it, load by load, a super highway mega road. Excavator, to begin, gets to work by digging in. Scooping heavy loads with ease, he lifts out boulders, trash, and trees. Skid steer's doing her part too, and in no time at all, they're through. They clear tons of loads today, and dump truck hauls them all away. Big bulldozer rolls on site, pushing through with all his might, clearing stumps and rocks and rubble, ripping, tearing without trouble. Then sturdy scraper is at hand to move the earth and reshape land. With care and speed she rolls along, cutting, clearing, smooth and strong. With her sharp and rugged blade, the embankment and roadbed are made. When the grit begins to fly, water truck is standing by. Her jets squirt water on the ground, so dust and dirt won't blow around. She's keeping the air clear today, so all the trucks can see their way. Compactor has the job he likes, rolling, squishing with his spikes. His heavy wheels push down hard, smashing, mashing yard by yard. Now Grader knows just what to do. Her blade will easily cut through, leveling each bump and groove. She leaves the surface flat and smooth. Her hopper's filled, now pavers ready, slowly rolling, strong and steady. Her screed arm lays the asphalt down, a strong new layer on the ground. Spreading blacktop all the way, she'll cover this whole road today. Roller's 22-ton load goes over every inch of road. Back and forth until he's done, he smashes down on every ton. Pushing, squishing, and just like that, he makes the surface hard and flat. Now a bridge, an overpass, needs strong concrete so it will last. Cement mixer drives onto the scene, pouring each load smooth and clean. Then he starts the curb and gutter. He churns and pours without a sputter, lining both sides of the street with miles and miles of fresh concrete. Crane truck hangs the signs and lights and sets them in all straight and tight. He holds them firmly, they won't sway on this very windy day. And now before the work's complete, Striper truck will mark the street. Ribbon sprayed on, clean and bright. Some are yellow, some are white. Solid double and dashed lines show all the traffic where to go. There's just one more thing to do. Let the traffic all drive through. The road is opened up at last, and all the cars go swooshing past. Everyone is on their way, heading home to end their day. The trucks turn back to look and smile. This was awesome, every mile. This great big job was tough, but fun, and now they drive off one by one. Proud that they have done their best, the trucks roll home to get some rest. Away they rumble, out of sight. Good job, road builders, and good night.